Hi! In this video, I will show you how to view your GCash referral code. So in order to view your GCash referral code, I actually asked Gigi in order to answer that question. So as you can see, GGives have a unique referral code identifier that you can enter before activating GGives. A sales agent or store clerk will give you this referral code and you can input that code into the GGives. So you can just go over to GGives from there, and then once you're on your GGives, you can head over and then select or create an account. And once you have created an account, you will have your own referral code. Head over to the home page right here. Then from in there, go over to this view all and then look in here for GGives. So once you're on the GGives option, you should be able to actually go and then create your own referral code. So just head over and then select in here an option. It's usually on the borrow page or on the grow page. And once you have successfully entered GGives and activated an account, you will have your own referral code from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.